Can you get all 50? Go. Question 1. What is 1 plus 2? The correct answer is B, 3. Question 2. What is 1 plus 3? The correct answer is A, 4. Question 3. What is 1 plus 5? The correct answer is C, 6. Question 4. What is 1 plus 6? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 5. What is 1 plus 7? The correct answer is C, 8. Question 6. What is 1 plus 8? The correct answer is A, 9. Question 7. What is 1 plus 9? The correct answer is C, 10. Question 8. What is 2 plus 4? The correct answer is B, 6. Question 9. What is 2 plus 7? The correct answer is C, 9. Question 10. What is 2 plus 8? The correct answer is A, 10. Keep going. Question 11. What is 3 plus 4? The correct answer is B, 7. Question 12. What is 5 plus 3? The correct answer is B, 8. Question 13. What is 6 plus 4? The correct answer is C, 10. Question 14. What is 7 plus 5? The correct answer is A, 12. Question 15. What is 8 plus 6? The correct answer is C, 14. Question 16. What is 9 plus 4? The correct answer is A, 13. Question 17. What is 10 plus 7? The correct answer is B, 17. Question 18. What is 6 plus 6? The correct answer is C, 12. Question 19. What is 8 plus 8? The correct answer is A, 16. Question 20. What is 5 plus 9? The correct answer is B, 14. Halfway there. Question 21. What is 7 plus 7? The correct answer is C, 14. Question 22. What is 9 plus 9? The correct answer is A, 18. Question 23. What is 4 plus 8? The correct answer is B, 12. Question 24. What is 3 plus 6? The correct answer is C, 9. Question 25. What is 10 plus 9? The correct answer is A, 19. Question 26. What is 2 plus 3? The correct answer is A, 5. Question 27. What is 4 plus 5? The correct answer is B, 9. Question 28. What is 6 plus 3? The correct answer is A, 9. Question 29. What is 7 plus 4? The correct answer is B, 11. Question 30. What is 8 plus 5? The correct answer is B, 13. You are a genius. Question 31. What is 9 plus 6? The correct answer is B, 15. Question 32. What is 10 plus 5? The correct answer is A, 15. Question 33. What is 3 plus 7? The correct answer is B, 10. Question 34. What is 6 plus 7? The correct answer is B, 13. Question 35. What is 4 plus 9? The correct answer is A, 13. Question 36. What is 8 plus 7? The correct answer is B, 15. Question 37. What is 5 plus 6? The correct answer is B. 11. Question 38. What is 9 plus 8? The correct answer is B. 17. Question 39. What is 10 plus 8? The correct answer is B. 18. Question 40. What is 7 plus 6? The correct answer is B. 13. Almost done. Question 41. What is 1 plus 4? The correct answer is A. 5. Question 42. What is 2 plus 5? The correct answer is B. 7. Question 43. What is 3 plus 5? The correct answer is B. 8. Question 44. What is 4 plus 6? The correct answer is B. 10. Question 45. What is 5 plus 7? The correct answer is B. 12. Question 46. What is 6 plus 5? The correct answer is B. 11. Question 47. What is 7 plus 3? The correct answer is B. 10. Question 48. What is 8 plus 4? The correct answer is B. 12. Question 49. What is 9 plus 3? The correct answer is A. 12. Question 50. What is 10 plus 6? The correct answer is B. 16. Congratulations. You completed Quiz Panda. How many did you get right? Write it in the comments and subscribe.